The Hydra GS from Witzenmann. Witzenmann, inventor of the flexible hose in 1885, leads its sector with more than 4,000 employees and over 600 million euro in turnover. Using the applied hose cutter plus stainless steel cutting blade, cut the flexible hose to the right length. Using minimal force, rotate the hose cutter several times, tightening it slightly with each turn. Continue until the flexible hose is cut off with a clean saw cut. Cut off 6 rings. Using a cutter, carefully cut down through the yellow protective mantle. Carefully cut lengthwise and then remove the yellow protective mantle. Take hold of the hose coupling. Loosen the nut by a quarter turn. Insert the flexible hose in the coupling. Push it in until there's an audible click. Pull gently on the hose to see if it has clicked in place. Tighten the coupling until only the O-ring is visible. Once the installation has been officially inspected and passed fit for use, the coupling has to be taped. Take the self-fusing tape. Apply this over the hose and the entire coupling. Apply some pressure when doing this, as the tape is not self-adhesive. Sanutal, the established partner since 1993 of Witzenmann for sanitary, central heating and gas applications.